Welcome back to Stock Trades. We're going to be covering ChainLink in this video. But if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps the channel and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. But before we get into this, I just wanted to say if you are interested in free stuff, I know a lot of people love free stuff. At 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away $100. But, if you don't want to wait that long, me and my team actually, we send out a scanner that costs us $2,000 a year. We send it to you guys all for free in our morning newsletter. I know. We're amazing, but it's out of value. To be a profitable trader, you have to find the stocks that the retail traders are dominating. High frequency trading and hedge funds, they like to stay away from the stocks where retail traders are dominating, and there are only a few stocks every single day that retail traders are dominating, and that's what these $2,000 scanners give us, and that's what we are giving you guys. So it's all for free. You just gotta give us an email so we can email you guys our newsletter. We give you our watch list, any stocks with the news, and those scanners. Those scanners are amazing. I look at those every single day. So I think you guys will really, really appreciate that. Let's jump right into the video. Really, there's not too much market structure on ChainLink on the monthly chart. Again, we are in an uptrend, so I'm gonna just go what I see. Again, this is not something I really like to chart because it's not really a challenge. I mean, yes, it is a challenge, but I am expecting us to break this level soon because look, boom, 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 boom. We're gonna break this trend sometime soon, and I do believe it's going to be this time. And what do you know? We have some support at 20, and we have some support at like around 16 cents. So those are what I'm looking for support levels, because we can't hold this, and we've had the sharp move down. So I do expect it actually on the monthly chart maybe to finish this week somewhere. I don't expect it to move super much or like a lot, but I'm going to go ahead and continue to look into a shorter time frame to see if it could potentially move. Anything can happen, but again, I go off probabilities in trading stocks or in trading cryptos, TA. So we are really overextended from this 21 EMA. So it would make sense for us to kind of consolidate out of this uptrend. Let's go ahead and zoom in here. I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the monthly charts. Again, on the weekly chart, we bounced right off of that trend line, and we actually could be entering into a downtrend. See how we found resistance on that 50%, and see how the buyers brought it up, the sellers brought it straight back down. Again, this candle hasn't closed yet, so it's not a shooting star doji candle. And plus, since I only trade the shooting stars doji candles when there's I'm trying to figure out the word. See how there's stuff on this wick? So all of this to the left of the wick, I don't like that's not a valid enough thing for me to trade off of. Let's say that this candle formed and closed up here. See how there's nothing to the left up here? Then that's a good validation and good sign that we are going to reverse. But again, it's still a shooting star right now. We still have we still have 4 hours to close. So I do expect us to continue to push, hold this level, and actually break below this trend line and continue to consolidate. Again, we have support at 20. At 16, and we have some longer ones at like 8 and more. I don't think we'll drop that low, but again, it is possible. And as we're looking for this 21 EMA to actually push up, again, that would kind of make sense if we actually broke back and pulled back to that $20 range. Again, I'm gonna be buying it up at $20. I have a couple limit orders at 20, a couple at 15, and obviously I think limit orders are amazing, especially if it flash sale. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more here. Okay, now, whoa, what is it, my guy? Monthly EMA. Ooh, we'll do same as chart. So again, we found resistance on that 50% level. That's not good. Again, we're making these higher lows, but we are also making this downtrend. So I'm actually looking for a move to the upside on the short term. So you touch it multiple, you're building up, tanked. and now we're actually building up. So if we actually break this and continue to consolidate before we actually break through this trend line and come down at the $20 level, we do have some support at 23.85. So very well could be consolidating here, break through this trend line, continue to pull up, and actually around $28 to $30, we could. That's when we're going to break through and then come down to that $25, $24 range. So there's anything can happen here. Again, anything can happen in any market. So you always got to be safe. There's not really too many patterns forming. This could be a reverse ABC pattern. But again, it's not the cleanest pattern out there, so I'm not going to be using it. And obviously I know someone's going to comment, oh, that's a falling baby pattern or some dumb shit like that. Yes, there are thousands of patterns, and there's probably some in here, but it's not my strategy, so you don't have to comment that shit. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I believe that's covered for channel. And again, if you are interested, that newsletter is free, and also make sure to subscribe. We are giving away $100 at 1,000 subscribers, and love y'all. I wouldn't be making these videos without you guys. Peace.